Hello everyone, welcome back to our MAVEN Techno Solution channel. Sorry for the inconvenience. For the few days we are not able to cover the remaining topics. We got delay. So today onwards we are going to cover the further remaining all the topics. We covered in all lectures the 4 topics we covered up to now: the Linux introduction to Linux directory structure, and the basic commands, and VIM editor, all commands. Around 19 lectures we covered. So on these 4 topics, in today's lecture we are going to cover this hard link and soft link. What is the use of hard link and soft link? Okay. Basically, what is the link? So for creating a shortcut file, so we can use a link, like connection between the file name and the actual data where the exact data is stored in the disk. So we can create a shortcut files. We can call it a shortcut file. Okay. In soft link, there is 2 types of link: soft link and hard link. In soft link, the path of the original file of the path is stored. So whenever the original file is removed, and that path will be get deleted, so you won't get the original file. If the original file is removed from the main path, then there is no use of this soft link. Okay. So whereas in hard link, so if the file is removed, got renamed, or it's modified, so it won't impact the another file. Okay. This is about hard link and soft link. Okay. So we will see in practical, you will get more understand. Okay. In soft link, the original file is there, so and the where the path of that original file, it creates a soft link. Okay. So the inode number will be different, the main file and that short link link where we created with the soft link, that inode number will be different. In hard link, the main file and the which we created the hard link file, the inode number will be same. Okay. We will see in practical. Okay. So here quickly I will create some nested directories. Okay. That is folder 1 and folder 2, folder 3. Okay. I'm created the same window I kept here to better understand. Okay. So I created the nested folders one another. So I will enter into this created folder, copy in, okay, cd, and enter. There is no file is available. So here what I will do, I will create one that is demo file, demo.txt. Okay. So I will do this pwd. It will show the current working directory, present working directory. So we are in this folder 3. So what I will do, I will go to my home directory. Okay. I'm in my home directory. Okay. So what I will do, I will create a soft link for this demo.txt file. Okay. So like a shortcut link I will create here, ln-s, and this demo directory path, that is in this path, copy, paste here, and the file name, and with the soft link name I want to create the name of soft link. I want to create the shortcut for this demo.txt file. If you are not giving the any file name to this link which you are creating, so by default it will take the whichever the file is existing, the same name it will take. Okay. So I will give the name it as soft link. Okay. So hit enter. So now you can do ls-l, and you can do ls-li. So it will show inode number. You can see here the soft link for your demo.txt is created, and this is the inode number of your demo.txt file. Okay. So I will just clear the screen. Okay. Once again I will do ls-li. Okay. See, this is your demo directory file inode number, and this give me a minute, you can see here this L symbol will show it's a linked file, okay, and this is inode number of your demo.txt file, this file inode number, okay. We'll check this -l. So I will enter into this directory, copy, paste here. I will enter into this directory, and here is our demo file. What I will do, I will write something into this file. Hello, welcome. Okay, I have written, sorry, here I need to give this arrow mark. Okay, so I have written hello, welcome to this demo.txt file. You can check that one, cat demo.txt. okay, the hello welcome data is existing into this demo directory, and in this another same window is here. So what I will do is -l. So the same thing, I will check through this soft link whether the changes has appeared into this demo.file of demo.txt file or not. You can see here cat soft link. See here, whatever changes you done to this original file, that is you can observe through your soft link also. This is nothing but a short link we created. So if we deleted this your original file rm-rf, if you are deleted your original file, then you can see what happens. See here, the soft link also it's deleted, okay, there is no use of soft link. Then you can check soft link, see what it's showing now. It's showing, give me a minute, you can see here what it's saying, no such a file or directory is existing. So whenever you are deleted your main original file, the soft link also get deleted, okay. I hope you got this point, okay. We will see hard link, okay. So quickly I will delete this one. So which one we created for the soft link, rm-rf folder all, and this soft link also I will delete. Okay, so okay, we deleted the file. So what I will do, so again I will create some folder and file. Nested I will create folder 1 and folder 2, folder 3, okay. So I will enter into this folder, quickly copy, paste, enter, and there is no file in this folder. Here I will create file, the same file demo.txt, okay. So I will store some message into this file, echo hello welcome demo, okay, txt, fine. So what I will do, in the same window I took the duplicate window here. So here I will create a hard link for this demo.txt file. So you can check the pwd, the current working directory is folder number 3. Here working directory is Siva, okay. So in home directory, here I will create a hard link for this demo.txt file, okay. So ln and the path of the file, okay. So and the file, okay, and here you need to give a file name. I will give hard link, okay, hit enter. You can do ls-li. See, the hard link file is got created. This is hard link of your demo.txt file, okay, which is existing in this path. Okay, so what I will do, you can check cat demo.txt. see here, hello welcome message is there. So you can check cat hard link which we created, hard link. See here, the same message is existing. What I will do again, I will dump some message into this file. Echo welcome to our channel. Okay, I will dump into demo.txt file. Okay, so you can do this cat demo.txt. see here, it's I need to append. So actually the previous data is erased. Fine, no issue. So the previous data is erased and the new data is entered here. That is in demo.txt file, hello welcome is removed and welcome to our channel is replaced. Okay, you can check here cat hard link. See here, the data is got affected here to your file. Okay, so what I will do, so here I will delete this original file, then after we will check whether that original file deleted, is it impacts to your created hard link or not. rm-rf demo.txt. I removed that demo.txt file. So you can check now, there is no any demo.txt file is existing. So still you can check here ls-li. See here, your hard link file still it's existing. Okay, so now you can do cat for your hard link file. See here, there is no any impact to your hard link file. Okay, there is no any impact to your hard link file, but your original file is deleted, which is existing in this directory, okay, which is existing in this folder 3 directory. There is a demo.txt file. Okay, we removed that file. After removing that file also, we check that there is no any file existing. See here, there is no any impact to your hard link. Okay, we did the cat. Okay, there is no any impact to your hard link file. You can see here, still it's existing. That is the difference between hard link and soft link. So whereas it in a soft link, the file once the original file is deleted, that means there is no use of that soft link. It will soft link also it will get deleted. Okay, so where is in hard link? So if you are deleted your original file also, the data will remains. Okay, that hard link file will remains. I hope you got this point. Okay, in next class we are going to see the file compression and extraction. Okay, I hope you understood this all today hard link and soft link concept. So please do yourself practical, and we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something new in today's lecture. Follow all the lectures and video, and don't forget to do like and subscribe. If you feel this video is helpful, please share with your friends and colleagues. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.